Hey everybody, welcome to another brand new episode of Tech That Doesn't Byte. Today we're going to take a look at another MVNO wireless service. And that MVNO service is Visible Wireless. Now Visible Wireless is a MVNO that offers wireless service using the Verizon network. And they have one plan only, and that is unlimited 4G LTE data for $40 a month. That's a pretty big bargain. Now, if you know my back history with wireless service, it's been a little bit tricky. I've been having trouble finding a service with decent LTE speeds. And I've been on the T-Mobile network, and unfortunately in my area, the network has been tanking. So I thought I'd give Visible a try. And I gotta say, the speeds are pretty good in my area. I was able to get 80 megabits down during peak hours. That's pretty impressive. I usually don't get anywhere near 10 if I'm on T-Mobile. Now the lowest speeds I ever got on Visible Wireless was about 30 megabits down. That's still pretty good, even when it's slow. And the caveat about this is that they also have unlimited hotspot. Now the unlimited hotspot capability is only limited to 5 megabits down. So when you tether a device to your computer or your tablet, you're only going to be able to get around 5 megabits down. That's still pretty good to watch YouTube videos on standard definition, check your emails, and browse the net. So I'm pretty impressed that you're able to get that functionality. Now the downside with Visible is that it does not have any roaming capabilities. And fallback capabilities as well. So if you're in an area where Verizon has no service, then you won't be able to roam in other networks. And also if for some reason Verizon LTE goes down, then you won't be able to fall back to a 3G network. Now it's very rare that happens, but if that ever happens, just know that you won't have any fallback to use your data. So you'll have no data during that downtime. But it's rare, but it could happen. Now in terms of customer service, it was pretty good, I gotta say. I had a hard time activating, that's the problem. You can activate your service using either on your phone using their app or on the computer. For some reason, I tried both ways and it just would not activate. I had to escalate the issue with their tech support, and after about 2 to 3 hours, the service was activated. So after that, I had all the functionalities. Calls were clear, I had Wi-Fi calling, no MMS issues, I was able to check visual voicemails, and everything worked. Now, you do need a unlock compatible smartphone to be used on the Visible network. Most common ones are like the iPhones or the Google phones and some Samsung phones. You definitely want to check out their compatibility IMEI checker before you sign up for the service. Another great feature that they have is called Party Play. So as of right now, if you're one person, Visible Wireless will cost you $40 a month. Now, if you could find 4 people to join your party, then it could be $25 a month. Now, it doesn't have to be a family member or anyone. You have like a special code you can share out with. This could be friends, strangers, and pretty much strangers. The cool thing is that you don't have to manage their account. Everyone in their own party get their own account to manage. But if one person leaves that party, then the prices will go back to the original. So breaking it down, one person is 40, and then 2 people will be 35 per person, 3 people will be 30 per person, and if 4 people in your group, it'll be 25. So that's a pretty good deal if you can find 4 people to join your party group. Overall, I do like Visible Wireless. It has great coverage, it has great speeds, and for $40 or even $25 if you get 4 people to your party, that's a pretty good deal for unlimited LTE data. So I definitely highly recommend it, and you guys give it a try. But what do you guys think of Visible Wireless? Have you tried them? Are they your primary wireless carrier right now? Let me know in the comments below. Hey, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and that bell notification to get notified of new videos. And also check out some of our other videos that we made in the past.